Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share some amazing websites to keep improving your web development skills. The list ranges from news websites to tutorial websites, specialized courses website to challenges website. So let's start with the list. But before that, please subscribe to the channel and do like and comment if you like the video. First, we have websites for networking. Networking is a very crucial part of a web developer's life. It's used for exchanging information and ideas with other individuals or groups having same interest as you. So let's see which all websites made to this list. First one is GitHub. On GitHub, you can make your own repositories to store your projects and share them with others. Also, you can discover interesting projects and people by checking out others' repositories or projects. Second is Coderwall. Here also you can discover projects as well as find latest development and design tips and tools also from a very huge developer community. Third is Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is the largest and most trusted online community for developers to share their programming knowledge and help others with solutions or ask their own problems. You can even build your career on Stack Overflow as they have a job portal also. Fourth we have is Geeklist. Geeklist is actually a blog and a very active one. Here you can find articles or blog posts on very varied topics. Check out them to find what they are offering. And last one we have is CodePen. CodePen is the best place to build and deploy a website, show off your work and find some inspiration. Here also you can explore many projects or better known as pens. Next category we have is websites that will challenge your skills. Visit them at your own risk. First website is Code Combat. Code Combat is a platform where you will learn to code by playing a game. Here you can master Python or JavaScript by solving mazes and clearing the levels. Second is Code Wars. Here you achieve code mastery through solving challenges and reaching your highest potential. Third is HackerRank. It's a place where developers compete by trying to program according to given specifications. Go to HackerRank, practice coding, prepare for interviews, and get hired. Last is HackerHearth. They only have one saying: code, build, hack, and be a better programmer. Let's move on to next type of websites, and that is news websites. News are very important for us to keep up with the trends in the market. First one we have is Daily.js. It is actually a blog on Medium, or you can say it is a JavaScript weekly digest. Visit them once to see what are they actually up to. Next one up is Slashdot. They provide news for nerds and all the other stuff that matters. Third one is Reddit. Reddit is news aggregation and discussion website. This is one place where you can find the best of the internet, breaking news, stories, pics and videos. Last we have is A List Apart. A List Apart explores the design, development and meaning of web content with a special focus on web standards and best practices. Another category we have is Tutorials website. Every other time we need to brush up our skills a little bit or maybe learn a new one. So these websites are the go-to place for either of that. First website is CSS-TRICKS. They provide all the tips, tricks and techniques on using cascading style sheets. Next is Smashing Magazine. Here you can find various articles on design and development and books as well in the format you want, hard copy or ebook. Third is Tuts Plus. Here you can find more than 20,000 how-to tutorials, and the best thing is they post updates daily. Last one is Computer Science Portal for Geeks, that is Geeks for Geeks. They have well written, well thought and well explained computer science articles. Last category is job hunting websites. First one is Hired. This is the best job search marketplace. Here you simply have to create a profile and then all the companies will compete for you, reaching out to you with offers upfront. Second is LinkedIn. LinkedIn has 500 million plus members. Here you can manage your professional identity and build your professional network. Insights and opportunities are also available if you know how to utilize them. Last one is guru.com. Guru.com is a freelance marketplace. Here you can find freelance jobs easily and even higher quality freelancers. More than 3 million professionals are present on this website. That completes our list of websites. And as a few stayed till so far, here's a bonus website for you. Udacity. It provides the best tutorials on the internet. Some are free, some are paid, but each one of them is worth your time. They even have nano degree programs to get you more skilled. And please press the bell icon so that you get to know when my new videos come. Happy learning, guys.